I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the roof deck is solid and level. You replace any rotten sheathing now to avoid leaks later. Once the deck is cleaned and measured, you mark panel layout from ridge to eave so overlaps align with ribs. Make your first cuts on the ground with snips to avoid mistakes on the roof. While you work, use a safety harness and non-slip shoes. Make sure to stage panels near the access point to minimize handling and wind lift. Once the first panel is anchored squarely, you continue adding panels toward the ridge, overlapping the previously laid panel by 2-3 in, and interlocking ribs where applicable. Drive neoprene washer screws at the recommended spacing, avoiding overdrive. You can feel when a screw is snug. Make sure to run a bead of polyurethane sealant along lap joints and under end laps to prevent capillary leaks. As you reach edges, cut and fit flashing and rake trim, checking that water will shed to the eave. You finish by fitting the ridge cap and any ridge vent with closure strips to prevent wind-driven rain and pests. Fasten the cap following the panel profile and seal the ends. Once done, walk the roof to visually inspect fasteners, flashings, and trim. You tighten any loose screws and replace broken washers immediately. If a leak appears later, test suspect areas with a hose while someone watches inside. Then reseal laps, replace faulty washers, or straighten bent flashing to stop the leak fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.